Hello everyone. Today I want to talk about something that affects us all, climate action. But instead of focusing on the challenges, let's look at the good things that come with taking action against climate change. Together, we'll see how protecting our planet also creates a better future for everyone. 1. A cleaner, healthier environment. First, climate action leads to a cleaner and healthier environment. Transitioning to renewable energy sources like solar and wind reduces air pollution, which means fewer health problems like asthma and lung diseases. Cleaner air and water improves the quality of life for millions of people. Imagine breathing fresher air and drinking cleaner water. Climate action makes that possible. Number 2, boost the economy and creates jobs. Taking action on climate change is not just about saving the planet. It is also about building a stronger economy, renewable energy. Industries are booming, creating millions of new jobs worldwide in fields like solar installation, wind turbine maintenance, and energy efficiency. Innovation and green technology drive growth and investment, making sustainability profitable. Number 3, strengthens communities. Climate action helps communities become more resilient and connected. Local initiatives such as urban farming and reforestation projects bring people together and promote cooperation. Building resilient infrastructure projects, homes, and livelihoods from disasters like floods and typhoons, giving families greater security. Number 4, protects our natural wonders. From the majestic coral reefs to lush forests, climate action ensures that future generations can experience the beauty of our planet. By reducing carbon emissions, we protect biodiversity and prevent the extinction of countless species. Healthy ecosystem also provide services we only rely on, like clean air, fertile soil, and abundant food supplies. 5. Inspires innovation and hope. Finally, climate action sparks innovation and gives us hope. The challenge of addressing climate change encourages creating solutions like electric vehicles, sustainable agriculture, and carbon capture technologies. Seeing progress reminds us that we can make a difference, that a brighter, greener future is within our reach. Call to action. So what can we do about part of this positive change? Number 1, reduce, reuse, recycle. Number 2, support renewable energy and sustainable practices. Number 3, educate others about the benefits of climate change. Every small steps adds up. Together, we can tackle climate change and enjoy the many benefits it brings.